Hello. Today we'll be solving another WAEC past question, which is 2018 question 2. Now it says, given that the log of 3x minus log of 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Find the value of x. Right? Good. This, let me write the logarithm. Log of x base 3 minus 3 log of 3 base x plus 2 equals to 0. Good. Now if you observe, the logs are, the base are different. Base 3, base x. But before we proceed, please subscribe to this channel. Like, share, and also comment. Let me know where your difficulties, or if you like this video, let me know. Now, what should be our primary motive here is to make the bases to be the same, which come from what? The law of what? Change of base in logarithm. So we say, we try to change the base. Let the base be the same. Log, divide here again by log. Log. Now we are going to take these two, the log and the base. We'll make them, both of them, base. Base x, base 3. Right? Minus 3 into log, you divide here again by log. Log, you take again then 3 base x, right, plus 2 equals to 0. What are we going to do? Let us take the second logarithm, its base, which is what? X. So let x be the general base for all the logarithms. So put here base x, base x, base x, base x. Even if you take 3, you have the same answer. But I just say let's choose that one, right? What are we going to do? We try to solve them. Log of x base x. So the principal logarithm say once the base and the logs are the same, it's always what? 1. At any time they are the same. So say 1 upon, here is what? Log of x, log of 3 base x minus 3 into log of 3 base x all upon log of x base x. So it's 1. So anytime the base and the log are the same, is 1. Plus 2 equals to 0. What next? 1 upon log of 3 base x minus log of 3 base x upon 1 is just what? Log of 3 base x times 3 is just what? 3 log of 3 base x plus 2 equals to 0. What are we going to do? Log of 3 base x, log of 3 base x. Now the log of 3 base x, all of them are the same. Now the bases are the same, the log are the same. Right? We say, we let log of 3 base x equals to m. In other words, let it be m. So anywhere you see log of 3 base x, you put there m. So we say 1 upon log of 3 base x is what? M minus 3 into log of 3 base x should be what? M plus 2 equals to 0. So 1 upon m minus 3m plus 2 equals to 0. Give the denominator of 1. Right? What are we going to do? Find the LCM, which is what? M. So m into itself 1 times. 1 times m is just what? 1 minus 1 into m is m. M times 3m is just what? 3m square. You see it? Plus 1 into m is m. M times 2 is just what? 2m, right, equals to 0. Give the denominator of 1 and cross multiplied. So if we multiply 1 into the numerator here, just 1 minus 3m square plus 2m. M times 0 is just what? 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is just 0. What are we going to do next? The next step here is to arrange the quadratic equation, right, the normal way, right? Always the power first, followed by this. Always the highest power first. So it's supposed to be, now we transpose 3m square. If we transpose minus 3m square, it becomes what? 3m square plus 3m square. Minus 2m, if we transpose it, it will become what? Plus 2m, it will become minus 2m. Plus 1, if we transpose it, it will become what? Minus 1 equals to 0. And what are we going to do? We have now the quadratic equation. We solve it. So it's going to give us 3m square right, minus 3m plus m minus 1. This is the quadratic equation. If you don't know how to solve quadratic equation, go on to my channel. I precisely taught on that topic. Now find the common factor. What is the common factor? It's 3m upon. So say 3m, it's supposed to be m. 3m into 3m squared, just supposed to be m. Good. M minus 3m into 3m is just 1. Plus, we take a common factor of 1. 1 into m is just m minus 1 into this. 1 into itself is just 1. Now we take 3m plus 1. Here is supposed to be m minus 1 equals to 0. Good. Equals to 0. Continue. What are we going to do? We say 3m plus 1 equals to 0. M minus 1 equals to 0. Right? We transpose. So 3m equals to minus 1. So m equals to 1. So these are the value of m. So this is the value. The first value of m is 1. Here the value of m is supposed to be divide here by 3, divide here by 3. So what is m? M is equals to what? Minus 1 upon 3. Do you see? That's the value of m. Here m is equals to 1. Good. We continue. From here we say since m is equals to what? From where we came from our initial. We say what? Let right? Log of 3 base m base x equals to m. So what is m? M is equals to what? And log of 3 base x. So anywhere we see m, we put log of 3 base x. So now we say m is equals to minus 1 upon 3 and m is equals to 1. So what is m? Log of 3 base x equals to minus 1 upon 3. Here is supposed to be log of 3 base x equals to 1. What are we going to do? We try to remove the log, right? By say what? This numerator, we send it over. So we say x equals to, 3 is equals to, right, x to the negative power 1 upon 3. Here again, this we jump. We say 3 is equals to, and x equals to raised to the power 1. So here, it gives you, so say 3 equals to x raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. So x equals to 3 for this part. What is x? The first value of x equals to 3. And the second value of x, we remove the negative sign first. 3 is equals to 1 upon x raised to the power 1 upon 3. Right? Get denominator of 1, we cross multiply. So 3 raised times 1 upon x, 1 upon 3 is equals to 1. What are we going to do? Divide here by 3, divide here by 3. So what is x? So x 1 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 3. Right? X is equal to 1 upon 3 is equals to 3. We remove what? This 1 upon 3. How are we going to remove it? By giving the square root of, the cube root of 1 upon 3. Use it, the cube root of 1 upon 3. So you can use now your calculator. So this is the value of the other x. The value of x is 3 upon the cube root of 1 upon 3 and x equals to 3. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for your time, for watching.